Shalom. All praises to the Most High Yahweh, Yahashim, Yahweh. I want to discuss the importance of foundation, right? And why should we just focus on the foundation? The foundation is when you're building a house, it needs to stand on something, right? Before you build the door, before you build, before you put the windows, before you put the shelter, before you put the roof, before you put all of those stuff, it would not stand if it doesn't have a good what a good foundation or a strong foundation, right? That's why we have to start focusing on the foundation. Now, what is that foundation, right? That is the words of the Most High through Christ, and the words makes what wisdom. This is the book of Sirach, chapter 1, and let's start at verse 40. To fear the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and it was created with the faithful in the womb. She had built, the she here is talking about the wisdom, so keep that in mind. She had built an everlasting foundation with men, and she shall continue with their seed. Right? There you go. So, fear the Lord is to have wisdom, and to have wisdom is to have an everlasting, strong foundation, right? That's why we have to start focusing on wisdom first. What is wisdom also? Verse Sirach 1 and 26. If thou desire wisdom, keep the commandments, and the Lord shall give her unto thee. Right? So when we're keeping the commandments, we get wisdom. When we get wisdom, we have a strong foundation. Right? When we have a strong foundation, we can then build the rest. Right? Now, in order for us to increase in wisdom, first is of course keep the commandments. Next is to read these books, right? The book of Ecclesiasticus or Sirach, the book of Proverbs, the book of Wisdom of Solomon, the book of Psalms, the book of Matthew, the New Testament books, right? Because when you're gaining in wisdom, you also have the chance of keeping the commandments, right? For example, there is a law that says that do not be a talebearer, right? Or there is a law that says thou shalt not hate thy brother in their heart, right? And if you go to the book of Matthew, it says there how to not hate your brother, right? If you have an argument with your brother, it is wise to discuss it, discuss it with him alone, right? But that's another topic, right? We must first focus on what the foundation, right? And wisdom is that foundation, right? Let's go to the book of Matthew 7 and 24. Therefore, whoever heareth these sayings of mine and do them, I will liken him unto a wise man which built his house upon a rock. Right? So the rock is that foundation, right? So if you're going to build a house, it must be upon what strong rock, right? And the rain descended, and the floods came, and the winds blew, and beat upon that house, and it what? And it fell not, for it was founded upon a rock. So that foundation or that rock is the law, or the words of Christ is pertaining to the law, because Christ did the will of the Most High. And what is the will of the Most High? Is keeping commandments, right? Now, some might get worried. Well, if I'm focusing on the foundation, how can someone protect me, right? Well, we don't have to worry about that, because the Most High God, Yahweh, is our shelter, right? Is our guide, right? So our only mission or or our only mission or our action that we need to prioritize is to build first that foundation, because the Most High will put a shade upon us while we're building that, right? That is also called grace. Or you can also go to Psalms 121 and verse 5 just to prove a point. This is the book of Psalms, chapter 121 and verse 5. The Lord is thy keeper. The Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand. What is that again? The Lord is thy shade. Right? So the Most High is covering you, right? So the Most High is covering you while we're building this foundation of ours, right? That's why we are what? Under grace, right? And while we're built under grace or under that shade, we are building that foundation, right? So that when the Most High tests us or any kind of evil goes upon us, it will what? Stand. Right? That's how foundations work. It protects everything from being fallen, right? That's why our root must be what? Wisdom and keeping the commandments. That is all for now. Hope to see you again, guys. All praises to the Most High Yahweh. Hashim Hamashiach Yahweh.